YouTubers, this is your pal EMDSD14R coming to you live from the Keystone State. I'm doing a update video here on my ER&W equipment. I know you guys have been wondering what I've been doing since the last update video that I did, but I've been really busy. My birthday was yesterday. Thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Thank you, Rini, for the birthday gifts. I will be doing a video with them shortly. Rini sent me those gifts over there, so I will be doing a video with them. Yeah, so I've been very busy. This is actually my new workstation area here. So all my stuff is here. My spare shelves and whatnot. So if you're wondering why things look different, I actually did move, so I'm actually closer to my job now, which is really, really cool. So yeah, a lot of changes there. But yeah, let me get started with this video because I want to keep it short and directly to the point. So I've been decaling some more ER&W equipment. So I've done several cars, and I've started doing cabooses now. So there's a chassis system caboose. This one obviously has like a Burlington style paint scheme, but it's orange. And then I've done these Holly Sugar cars. I have 4 of the Holly Sugar cars, but I didn't do all 4 just yet. And then I've done ballast hoppers too. So this is UP, but it's patched for ER&W. And then this is Chicago Northwestern, or ex-Chicago Northwestern. And if you can see behind the ER&W, the CN&W is still visible. And that's kind of like a really quick patch job. I wanted it to be unique. And then the latest car I did, which was today, was this grain hopper. Now, if you guys have seen this hopper before, this was a BNSF hopper, but I did it for ER&W. And if you're wondering how I remove the letters without removing the paint, you basically just take a Q-tip and you soak it in, I'd say 69% alcohol, and then you just rub the letters off. And that's what I did with this car. It does have a Fred on the back. But yeah, that's what I've been doing with my ER&W roster. Here's the Portland and Northern again. I can't get enough of this patch job. It's not really a patch job. It's actually just a sublettering job. But I can't get enough of this unit. It's really cool. But yeah, so this is what I've been doing, guys. Unfortunately, I ran out of the small decals, both in the white and black lettering, so I actually have to hold off on that. There's my grain, or my cement hopper, I should say. So I actually have to hold off on doing more decals because all I have left are the large letters. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So all this equipment here is now ER&W, and I will be doing a full video showcasing all the ER&W rolling stock. So again, thank you guys for the happy birthday wishes. I'm going to keep everybody in my prayers in regards to what's going on in the world with this whole virus situation. Everything will work out in Jesus' name. And God bless everybody, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you later. Peace, y'all.